Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Shiva Banking and Current Affairs Academy. Today in this video we will discuss national organizations headquarters and their establishment years. So this video is useful for all competitive exams. Please share this video to your friends. Let's start the session. First, RBI. RBI stands for Reserve Bank of India, and the establishment year of RBI is 1st April 1935, and the headquarters of RBI is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So the RBI full form is Reserve Bank of India. Establishment year is 1st April 1935, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, SEBI. SEBI full form is Security and Exchange Board of India, and the establishment year is 12th April 1992, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So Security Exchange Board of India establishment year is 12th April 1992, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Next, PFRDA. PFRDA full form is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, and the establishment year of PFRDA is located in 23rd August 2003, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. So Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority establishment year is 23rd August 2003, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. Next, NABARD. NABARD full form is important, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, and the establishment year is 12th July 1982, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the establishment year is 12th July 1982. Next, SIDBI. SIDBI full form is Small Industries Development Bank of India, and the headquarters of SIDBI is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and the establishment year is 2nd April 1990. So the SIDBI establishment year is 2nd April 1990, and the headquarters is located in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. The full form of SIDBI is Small Industries Development Bank of India. Next, NHB. NHB stands for National Housing Bank, and the establishment year is 9th July 1988, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. So National Housing Bank establishment year is 9th July 1988, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. Next, TRAI. TRAI stands for Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, and the establishment year is 20 February 1997, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. So Telecom Regulatory Authority of India headquarters is located in New Delhi, and the establishment year is 1997, 20 February. FSSAI. FSSAI stands for Food Safety and Standards Authority of India, and the establishment year is August 2011, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. So Food Safety and Standards Authority of India headquarters is located in New Delhi, and the establishment year is August 2011. Next, BCCI. BCCI stands for Board of Control for Cricket in India, and the establishment year is December 1928, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So Board of Control for Cricket in India headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the establishment year is December 1928. And the next, NASSCOM. NASSCOM full form is important. NASSCOM full form is National Association of Software and Services Companies. So National Association of Software and Service Companies establishment year is 1st March 1988, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So NASSCOM headquarters is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and the establishment year is 1st March 1988. Next, CSIR. CSIR stands for Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Establishment year is 1942, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. So CSIR headquarters is New Delhi, and the establishment year is 1942. Next, DRDO. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi, and the establishment year is 1958. So DRDO headquarters is New Delhi, and the establishment year is 1958. Next, ICMR. ICMR stands for Indian Council of Medical Research, and the establishment year of ICMR is 1911, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. Next one, ICAR. ICAR stands for Indian Council of Agriculture Research, and the establishment year of ICAR is 1929, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. So both ICMR and ICAR headquarters is located in New Delhi. Next, IRDA. IRDA stands for Insurance Regulatory Development and Authority of. So establishment year of IRDA is 1999, and the headquarters is located in Hyderabad, Telangana. So IRDA headquarters is Hyderabad, Telangana. Establishment year is 1999. And another one, LIC. LIC stands for Life Insurance Corporation of India, and the establishment year of LIC is 1956, and the headquarters is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. LIC establishment year is important, 1956. Next, SCI. SCI stands for Sports Authority of India, and the headquarters of Sports Authority of India is New Delhi, and the establishment year of Sports Authority of India is 1961. So Sports Authority of India establishment year is 1961, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. And another one, NCERT. National Council of Educational Research and Training is the full form of NCERT, and the establishment year of NCERT is 1961, and the headquarters is located in New Delhi. So NCERT headquarters is located in New Delhi, and the establishment year is 1961. Both Sports Authority of India and NCERT establishment year and headquarters are same. Establishment year is 1961, and the headquarters is New Delhi. So these are the some important national organizations in our country which are useful for all competitive exams. So if you want PDF based on this video, join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description box. Please subscribe our channel and like the video and press the bell icon to get all the notifications of our channel. So thank you for watching the video.